Authority local forecast.
All right, well, we certainly have had our fair share of the wind lately, and today was just one of them days. Yeah, we've had gusts between 25 to 30 miles per hour. In some cases, a little bit higher than that. You just saw some video footage we took earlier today in the Yuma area. Since then, things have calmed down very nicely, so we're certainly thankful for that on this early spring evening. Let's take a look at your RV World of Yuma sky cam. You got the bright lights of the city of Yuma behind me there, and of course we do also have your satellite radar perspective, which we're about to get to here in just a second. But yeah, we're definitely not seeing a whole lot in this particular realm. If anything, just very light traces of cloud coverage in the Four Corners area. And again, it's a far cry from what it was just a few days ago. But the wind speeds certainly have been up and at 'em today. We're still pretty active in that realm along Interstate 10, but you go further southward and we're a whole lot calmer, as I just mentioned. Temperature-wise at this particular time, we're pretty much settled into the low-end 70s for the most part in the Imperial Valley. So how are we faring in the Gila Valley? Well, very similar, as a matter of fact. We're looking at 70 to 70 degrees as far as the spectrum is concerned as of right now. Now, the system that brought the business to us, well, a few days ago with the wind, definitely doing that and more over in the southeast. I mean, they've already had tornadic outbreaks over in Texas, and of course that risk continues on through tonight and into tomorrow as well. You can see this zone right here primed for more potential and yes, tornadoes and severe thunderstorms as well. And there's that trough really digging in, and of course it's kind of mixing in with that subtropic air, so it's got a bit of a clash to it. So that's definitely bringing in the dangerous weather conditions. But then, of course, we do have the ridge of high pressure beginning to build in the desert southwest from the East Pacific. So we are going to start to feel a whole lot warmer in the coming days. Just throw that out there. All right, your Metrocast, 62 degrees by 8 a.m. will be in the low 80s as we get to the mid-afternoon. And, of course, we'll be in the high-end 70s before we even get to the 8 p.m. hour. And of course, for your air quality index presented by the Imperial County Air Pollution Control District, for the most part, we're in good standing, so that's some good news there. And for your Yuma International Airport extended forecast, we are definitely looking at those temperatures in the 90s. That's beyond tomorrow, and then of course we'll go back to the 80s again. We know eventually we're going to be much higher than this, so we are certainly counting our blessings. All right.